I like you to see all the comments I leave for you. I leave comments in a few different ways, but I'm going to show you one way right now, which is by clicking on grades and looking for this little icon here and clicking it. And then you can see any comments I might have left in assignment comments. Great job. I can't wait to read your essay. And let me show you one more thing, and that is how to set your notifications so you know that you have one of those comments. You go to your account and then notifications, and then you go down to submission comment right here. And if you want to get weekly notifications, you click on the little calendar page. If you want to get daily notifications, it's like at the end of the day of all the notifications in that day, you click the clock. And if you want to get immediate notifications, you click the check mark.